Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101 and today we are going to be planning for the week of April 18th through the 24th and my dashboard layout, which is the Modern Year Classic Size Happy Planner. And as always, I am going to be attaching a page on the left side. I know some of you have asked about that page. That's just the page that I have created for myself, and it helps me to keep track of my videos and all the things I need to do for this channel and my Instagram as well. I have a lot of fun with this, and it's definitely developed into one very time-consuming hobby, but I wouldn't have it any other way. So that's the previous week. I do film quite a bit in advance, so that's why the spread is empty. Yeah, this happens a lot. Like I said, I do film about 2 to 3 weeks in advance depending on how my time aligns, but that's what I try to do. And with that said, that week hasn't come yet, so there's no writing in it. Today I'm going to be using stickers that I have printed for myself. Like, look at these. They scream spring and they're just beautiful and lovely, and I printed an array of these for myself because I knew I'm going to be doing a few spreads with those as I love them so much. So I wanted to make sure I have enough, so I'm going to go ahead and start creating this beautiful spread with this girl. And she's just going to go ahead and drink wine right next to all of my numbers for YouTube and Instagram. With that said, as I'm putting her down, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel and joining me yet again and choosing to spend time with me. I am so thankful for you. And if you are brand new and just found me, welcome. I hope you like it here. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go ahead and add some of these beautiful floral arrangements, because what would my spread be without some florals, right? You guys are used to this by now. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach all of these gorgeous pastel florals that I am obsessed with. I love when floral arrangements have this almost like eucalyptus leaves attached, and these are just soft and beautiful, and that's exactly what I love in my spring spreads. Just very happy and pastel-y and soft, and this all of this nature is being born all around me, and I'm super excited. And of course there's now time for dresses and some lighter clothes finally. So that's what all of these girls are. I'm just gently lifting these stickers. I'm not sure if my Cricut cut this properly all the way. It did, but I'm just being very gentle. I'm gonna go ahead and attach that one right there. It's very similar, but it's slightly different. You have that rose right there, and the position of the flowers are just slightly different. So I love it. I hope you guys do too, because like I said, I am so proud of these stickers and these arrangements. I love working with something sometimes that I print because it's different and unique, and I mean, it's something that you really want, right? Otherwise you wouldn't be purchasing these images. And with sticker books, those are pre-made, so even if you like, let's say, 2 collections, you still have to buy the whole sticker book. With these images, that's not like that, so I purchase them either in bunches or individually, and then I make my own stickers. And another thing is that I can redo them. So I was actually thinking about possibly opening my own Patreon. I don't know how you guys feel about it. I know for sure that I would be making pages of stickers for my Patreons like this. Outside of that, I really have no clue what I would be doing. Not time for this just yet, but soon I am thinking about it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think it's a good idea or if that's something that maybe you think I shouldn't pursue. I don't know. I've never done it. I think I support a couple people on Patreon, but the way I support them is like on those lower levels where you don't get a lot of perks, because I also have 2 jobs and I don't have time to participate in all that awesome stuff that all these people are giving away. So I'm not sure, and obviously all of my giveaways would move exclusively to my Patreons, which I do probably about $100 to $200 of merchandise every other month or every third month depending. But that's kind of where my head is at right now. So you let me know what you think, and let me know if that's something that you think I should pursue. I'm just interested to see what everybody is thinking, and just curious for now. Not changing or nothing is happening just yet, but like I said, just kind of playing with the idea of it. But I know that I enjoy making stickers like these, and sometimes I like to share them with my subscribers here and there, and when I do, I mean, I would like to spread the wealth a little bit more, but I also like to be fair, so I think a Patreon would kind of solve the problem. I don't know. I really don't know. So, and then this way you guys would be able to support me, which I would be, I'm already beyond grateful, but you know, you make pennies on YouTube with like the numbers that I have. So I'm just curious to see what you guys think, and let me know. But for now, I'm gonna continue with the spread. I'm gonna go ahead and get some boxes so we can go ahead and fill in the week as usual, and then I can go ahead and continue to create my schedule for next week. So I'm going to be using the pastel stickers from Mojo Jojo, of course, right? And I'm gonna pull out some pinks to bring out all this pink from the spread. I was thinking about mixing pink and blue, but that reminds me of baby girl and baby boy, so maybe not. Maybe I will be using like this peachy, not peachy, violet pink, and then pink, like pastel pink. So that's a couple boxes that I'm going to go ahead and put down, and then I think my spread will be done. So let me know down below what you guys think about this one. I know it's kind of different because, like I said, I am using my own stickers, but this is where I am at in the process of my creations. And the spread is nearly done. Like I said, I'm just putting finishing touches on this, and okay, so let's put this down here. One on Friday, but I don't think I'm gonna need a sticker on Tuesday or Wednesday because that will be a week. There's like no new month or anything like that, so I might have less stickers. I've been doing a crazy amount of videos lately, so I'm kind of re-managing my life a little. Let's actually switch these light ones. just a smidge, so this way it looks a little bit more cohesive and balanced. Okay, there's a flow now. I like flows. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys. That's the end of this video and the spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video. This helps me a lot. And if anything else, it makes me smile. So thank you so much for staying tuned with me all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Have a great day and happy planning!